Anyway, hi everybody. We are in the car again, and say hello to everybody.
Hello.
And Papa.
You know what, I might as well just go right and then go back around the bypass, and then I'll come back that way.
Okay, so we're now going to. You remember? We went to MANEA, the nature reserve, and it was summertime, and there wasn't much water in the open land or the floodplain.
Yeah.
And we're now going, since these few weeks UK has been under water. Well, some of it.
It's been pretty wet.
It has been pretty wet for 2 weeks, and some places in the north, like Lincolnshire and where else? Yorkshire. Some of their places were flooded, and it's really, really sad. And now that will be a good time. This will be the good time to show you how flooded that plain is. But I hope you remember that PAPASHOGS Day Out in the Fence, I think it is called in our video. But if we'll try our very best to create a URL or a linkage to every videos we make, and that every time you mention about them, you know where to find them when we link it to this new video. But anyway, we are on the way there, so that's we're very lucky for the weather now. So as you can see, it's very clear and bright, but it's really cold. You don't be fooled with this brightness. It is really cold too, but it's much better than any other Scandinavian countries, I am pretty sure.
Yeah, this is hot compared to that.
This is hot to them. Anyway, and we are, oh, by the way, we've been watching the SIA Games opening, the welcoming opening of all SIA athletes. I know it was so good. We are so proud. We're so proud that our country can pull this and then on par with the other nations too. And it is, and it's so good to see how it is. Everyone is accommodated. The indigenous peoples of the Philippines, their cultures, their dances are well represented on it. Especially when my heart went really, really, as if it went jump high for excitedness or happiness when I heard the sound of the gongs. That is the sound of the Cordillera. Our dance is shown there too. It makes you so proud, and well done and good luck to the athletes of the Philippines. And I hope we win all those golds. Well, we're the host nation, so why can't we? And okay, so good luck to the Philippine athletes. And what can you say about that, Popskin?
Well, I didn't realise it was you were the host nation.
Yeah,
now
we are.
It makes sense what you were saying. So
yeah.
Well, if you're in the host nation, you did a really good job on the presentation. Your opening ceremony was really cool.
Yeah.
Hope you do well. Don't see why.
Yes, I don't see why can we. They're really good now, and moving forward, the Philippines that is, and we're very proud. And yes, what were you saying?
Say is hopefully that obviously if you guys hosting this, then it will also help with more facilities, more training facilities, more places where people can do these various sports in the Philippines, because it's wholly inadequate at the moment. Your country does not promote sport very much at all. I know that's changing now, but you're way behind the rest of the nations you're around.
Yeah.
So this is one way of addressing that, and I'm glad it's happening. It does need to.
We really do need to, and of course, well done to this present administration. They're really doing it. They're really, which is good.
That's what you need to do.
I know a long time ago, when during the time of on Paengne Posemo, that, but those are the bowling, those are the, and Lydia de Vega, the fastest, it still is, I think, fastest women of Asia. That we still hold that title, I think, on the record.
Yeah.
You see, if we have during those times, this is the time of Lydia de Vega, when our country should have realized that we have these people, we have the sort of athletes, and we put money on it, or we have supported it. I think we could be on that. We could be there, you know.
Yeah, well, it all starts at school level, though, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's a school. Yeah.
So teaching these things at school.
Well, we do. They do as much as they can, actually. When I was at school, we do. We have, although we can't have track and fields because they don't. We don't have a ring for it, but we have the environment, or our surroundings. We do, because we walk everywhere by then, but still it's
It's
long
all
time.
up and down.
Yeah, I know. It's still
Go to school, you can't go up a mountain, down a mountain.
Yeah, you cannot really run, otherwise you fall, or you trip yourself from, But anyway, it is moving forward, and we're really, really, really proud. It is not. It's not going backwards. It's going forwards, which is so good to say, isn't it?
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Done it. You need to turn that off.
Anyway, we'll see you when we get to that place. Should we see you shortly? Okay, ciao. We said earlier in the car. I'm sure for those who are following us, probably familiar with this one of our videos. So, are we going to the visitors center first? No, I don't think we do.
No, I don't think so.
But,
That way back.
okay, you get to the stairs. Meet us there. It's a little bit steep here, right? So I think you have to stay behind you.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Oh my gosh, it's
Side
getting worse, isn't it? Kids have fishing, well done. Hi, any fish?
Yeah.
Have you caught one?
Huh?
Have you caught one?
Yeah, yesterday.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How big are they?
That big.
Oh!
He caught one. He got. Oh, come on.
Can I come and can I come and see? Look at you. Oh wow! Cool. Guys, the boys caught one. Voila! You should have a camera. Do you have a camera to take a picture of it?
Tab.
No?
By the way, I'm out with my phone.
No swimming.
There's a lot more rain, hasn't there? So.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Right, I'm on the mount. Do you think here?
And just get around this place and just get out. Look at it, see, look.
Oh my gosh. It's a dead rat.
There's a dead rat.
Where is it?
It's Ratty and his mates.
Oh yeah, oh no.
Never mind.
Never mind. Rest in peace.
Isn't this R.I.P.?
R.I.P. Okay, let's go. And then we'll do it in the palanque.
Yeah.
So what you were talking about?
They got the bulrushes in front of them. And they got the head pieces, the top pieces, which is kind of like a tube. I'll show you in a minute. We'll see some more.
Yeah, because they're ripened now.
Yeah, no, I
Dried.
would like to grab a couple of those because they're really cool. And the first time I ever saw them when I was 6 years of age, and I'd never seen
Yeah.
them. Obviously, you'd seen all the stuff, roses in the bulrushes and all that sort of stuff.
Yeah.
And the first time I remember seeing that, that's exactly, it was like, oh, that's what they are. So they were kind of very rare to me. Never seen one before.
What is that again? Is that
I
the
will show
control,
you.
right?
What?
That one.
Yeah, I think they got it cut up that. I think if there's an emergency, something like that, if they really did need to open that one up, they
Yeah.
could do.
It's to let the water go in
I
through
think
as
it's
well.
for emergencies, like a severe emergency.
All right.
That if they had to, then if they have to flood down that way, then they'll flood the side.
It's not that bad here though, but somewhere
because they
in
can
north,
manage it. That's up the pumping
somewhere in the
station.
north, it's terrible for them.
Yeah, we're quite lucky in the fact. Yeah, because
Yeah.
of floods, but Hertford, well, not Hertford as in Hertfordshire, Hertford as in near St Ives,
Yeah.
village there, that always gets flooded. But they built the houses right on the river,
Mm.
and they built them where a floodplain was. So when they complain, it's like, well, you didn't have to live there. It's your own stupid fault. You see what they've done here.
This is what they were saying.
Yeah.
What are they going to repair it?
Well, that's what it is. That's what they repaired. They're completely redone.
Oh no! Oops! Hello? Yeah.
When it first here, there were so few participants. On the fifth year, the span of space they occupy in Hyde Park is getting wider.
I hope we're gonna get through.